Hey guys, I'm back. I know I said I'd post this the next day, but we have been riddled with cold, flu, throat infections, and all those good things. I have been exhausted with my husband keeping me up all night, snoring his head off. He almost died. Only because I almost killed him. But here we are with the other half of the Tokyo Treats video, wherein I can't remember the word. Cheezel? No, not Cheezel. I can't remember the word. I can't remember it again. I can't remember. Cheeto. Can't remember the word Cheeto, so I keep calling this thing a Cheezel, and I also keep calling it a Cheez-It. It's not Cheez-It. It's not a Cheeto. It's a giant Cheeto, and it's a giant What's-It if you're from England. I can't remember it in the video. It escapes me. And also at one stage, you see the 5-second rule in action. Thankfully, I had just cleaned the floor, not the wall. As you know from the last half of this video, the wall behind me has had the air conditioner leak on it. So that's pretty. But no, the floor was actually clean. So the 5-second rule was enacted on the panda. And it was very cute. Anyway, I enjoy this box. I don't know if I'll buy it again. It's quite expensive. It's like $60 or something. 60 plus, I can't remember. But yeah, it was good fun. Let's put it that way. I might actually move into some healthy snacks since I'm trying to be more healthy, and this is just not it for health. Anyway, here we go. Let's do the apple pie umabo. I don't know if I'm saying that right, so, you know, don't come for me. It says, oh, it's a limited edition treat. This sweet sour snack has hints of cinnamon that elevate the crunchy umabo and gives it a real apple pie feeling. So, oh. It's like a giant cheezel. What are they called in America? I think it is a cheese. It's like the thing with the tiger on it. It's like one of those. I can smell cinnamon, kind of. It is literally like a giant apple and cinnamon flavoured cheezel. Or what's it if you're from England. It's actually really good. It's so weird, but it's really good. It was like having a bit of apple pie. That's really cool. I've never seen a giant cheezel, one, and one, I've never seen a giant cheezel, and two, I've never seen a sweet one that tastes like apple pie before, so that is so cool. What will they think of next, these amazing Japanese people? Okay, there are still loads of stuff in this box. We're about halfway through, I'd say. This is Sakusa Panda strawberry cookies. They look quite cute. Yeah. It says, these cute and crunchy cookies have 70 fun expressions that are full of love. Oh, they're cute! And they are topped with strawberry chocolate. Okay. It smells like strawberry yogurt. Really cute. Look at the little cute panda. That was a sad panda. It had an upside down. It's like a strawberry animal cracker. I need to show you this. Look at this little guy. Oh no! I saved it from the dog. Look at this little guy. Look how cute he is. Ah! No, you can't have chocolate. Okay, this next little thing is called a Cocoa Bolo. And it just says these crunchy sweet Bite-sized Japanese treats go great with milk. Don't know what it tastes like, but they look just like cereal or something. A tiny little bit of cereal. Tastes like a tiny bit of cereal. Like a Choco Rock or something. Alrighty, we have 4 items left. I had to have an intermission while the dogs went in the park. Right. The next thing is this kind of fish dude. Which I've seen these before, but I can't put my finger on where. I don't know where I saw it before, but I've seen it before. It is a bubbly taiyaki strawberry flavour fish. In between 2 pink Monaco wafers is a thick layer of strawberry flavoured airy chocolate. Okay. It's like an Aero, but in a wafer. I'm down. Okay, so there's our fish. Certainly smells of strawberry. The wafer just like ripped the top layer of skin off my lips. Do you mind? Now, see, I don't know whether you'll be able to see it. There's just like airy chocolate inside. It smells a lot stronger than the flavour is, so that's good. I quite like it. I wish it was just normal chocolate flavour. On to our next strawberry product. My lip really hurts where that just pulled the skin off. Ow. This is Uncle Pierre's strawberry roll cake. I don't know who Uncle Pierre is, but he looks kind of middle-aged. It says, indulge in some sweet and sour cakey goodness with this delicious mini roll cake. Maybe this tasty cake isn't something you'll want to share. Well, it is kind of small, so. Even smaller than the packet, look. That's how actually long. Okay. That's the packet. Yeah, I can see why people wouldn't want to share it. Okay, it just smells sweet, doesn't smell strawberry this one. It just tastes like miscellaneous cake. I can't taste any strawberry or anything like that, and it's kind of a bit doughy as well. If somebody asked me what flavour it was, I'd be like, I don't know. It just tastes like sweet. Look how narrow the filling is. I would not even be able to tell you that that is strawberry flavour. Okay. Oh, Molly is already open, but I think it's fine. Here's a pocky heart full of cherry. And these are pockies that have been dipped in sour cherry cream. So, it's not strawberry flavour, y'all. Okay. There's 2 half packs in here, and obviously, because it's really hot, they might be a bit melted together or whatever. They've even attempted to make the stick itself heart-shaped. That broke off because it's melted, the chocolate melted together. So we have one giant pocky stick now. Okay. The cherry flavour makes me wish it was strawberry flavour. It's not great. If I wouldn't be able to tell you what flavour it was if I didn't know it was cherry. Like, you know it's a sweet thing, but, and you know it's a fruit, but other than that, they fused to become one giant pocky, which are now breaking and falling on the floor. That's not great. I like the fact the extra effort they've put in to try and make it. You're going to knock the table over, Molly. Was that nice? Did you enjoy it? Good. Okay. Yeah, I like the extra effort that's gone in to try and make the actual pocky pretzel sticks heart-shaped, but other than that, that's a no for me. Last item. I did kind of save the best till last, in my opinion, and that is strawberry milk KitKat. In this, as we all know, Japan loves its KitKats because I think it's kitakatsu means, I've probably said that completely wrong, means good luck in Japanese. So there's mild KitKat obsession in Japan. Yeah, this is literally just they're all the same flavour, but it's like a little multi-pack and they're all different colours, but it's all the same flavour. Which is really cute actually. Anyway, let's give it a little whirly. Oh no. Oh. There has been a melting base after this. It's a tiny little 2-finger KitKat. Pinky wafer. It's a strawberry KitKat. You can tell it's strawberry. It's pretty good. Just as after eating the whole thing. Yep. Strawberry KitKat, pretty good. Not the best thing I've eaten, but I'm not the biggest fan of strawberries. She says, staring at the strawberry box. Oh my god. I picked the worst time to do this subscription box, I swear. Okay, so that's the end of the items. Let's go through my least favourite and most favourite. These two abominations, the Welch's sparkling rosé soda, which tastes like just artificial flavour, and this disgusting abomination, which is plum candy, that tastes like, what was it? Crab sticks. Tastes like crab sticks, warm crab sticks with a little bit of vinegar on them. Whose plums are they? They need to pull up the tree. I don't know. It's disgusting. Do not. Zero out. -10 out of 10. It's so bad. Okay, everything else was, you know, okay. Not bad. I really enjoyed most of the savoury snack. But obviously, the favourite items, other than the KitKat, I mean, the KitKat is a given because it's KitKat. It doesn't like KitKats. Were two things that surprised the crap out of me actually, because I genuinely thought I was not going to like either one when reading about them, is the apple pie giant what's it thing, which is hilarious, and also I love it. Where can I find more of these giant what's it items that don't taste like cheese? That's so much fun. And the chocolate crisps, because I just assumed that they would be disgusting and I would hate them, but I'm sold. I'm a convert. Please send me all of the chocolate covered crisps. Thanks very much. has been a really fun box. I actually really enjoyed this. Apart from the disgusting plum thing. There's a lot of different stuff in it, and there's a lot of variety, which I really like. I think they also do a noodle box and stuff like that, so you can give that a go. But they also seem to put an awful lot of effort into their books and the snack menu and stuff like that, which is like it's really appreciated. It's like the next level compared to the box we just did, which is the loot box. There wasn't even a price list in that. Like, I don't even know how much it was. There was no invoice, no nothing. It's really odd. This one feels like it's a lot more professional, a lot more thought gone into it, and I really appreciate it. And so I will get another one next month. Okay, so let me know if you've tried any of these items before, which one was your favourite, and if you've ever tried the things that I hate and really like them, because that was just so bad. I'll also link the website to get the box from and all that good stuff. I did buy this with my own money, so it's not sponsored. We're not sponsored here. Anyway, I'm going to attempt to put all this back in the box without Molly managing to get any of it, and put the chocolate in the fridge because my little baby pandas are melting everywhere. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this, don't forget to hit subscribe and like and comment and all that rubbish. Thank you very much for watching. See you.